Hey, welcome to the Collaborative Centre. I'm Vic.
And I'm Mitch.
The Collaborative Centre is here to be a welcoming space that supports your work in a practical, everyday way.
Our goal is to bring people together from across Victoria's mental health and wellbeing system, to connect, to learn, and to bring evidence into practice.
Our training room is used for workshops, workforce development sessions, and small events. It's one of the main ways we support a learning mental health system.
Just upstairs we have our partner desks that are available for people across the sector. Get in touch if you're in the city and you need a place to work, meet, or just spend some time alongside our team.
On level 2 we have our sensory room, which offers a quiet space for reflection and to support different sensory needs. Up on level 3 we have our boardroom, our parents' room, and also our kitchen.
And finally the rooftop, which is opening soon.
Thanks so much for joining us on our tour of the Collaborative Centre.
If you'd like to come for a visit or stay connected to our work, we'd love to hear from you.